Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. This is a very important video because if you want to get your PPP round 2 money, just watch this video and get it. This is the simple explanation. Yes, that's what it is. I'm going to review a lender right here who requires your information. You just need to give them your information. They will take care of your application. They will take care of each and everything, and all you need to do, you just need to wait for your money, and when you get it, just spend it. Yes, this is the easiest way to get the PPP, also known as Paycheck Protection Program round 2 money, and it's a step-by-step guide, so please watch this video till the end. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. Without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right in front of you, here is the massive, the most simple and straightforward application process of Paycheck Protection Program round 2 money in front of you. It means you don't need to worry about lenders, like which lenders you should go with. They will actually give you and match you with best lenders available right now. Literally all you need to do, you just need to fill out your information and just sit back and relax and wait for your funds to get deposited. Once you get your funds, just spend it. That's it. Seriously, it's that easy. But before starting the video and take you on this lender's application where they require your information, and then after that you don't need to do anything, I want to take a promise from you. Please smash that like button and click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel, and please share this video with your loved ones because the funds will be exhausted really soon, so apply as soon as possible. So I know you guys are really eager. Let's start the video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can click on it. When you click on it, this page will open. Yes, the lender is Lendio. This financial institution is very well known, very reputable, and they are actually processing the Paycheck Protection Program or PPP round 2 applications. And as you know, that other lenders which actually were involved in the PPP application in the first round, now they're not doing it, such as Square or Cabbage, but right here Lendio are doing it. And this is one of the most easiest, literally most easiest way I've actually found on internet right now. So let's click on get started, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's click. So as soon as I click on it, this page appears. Yes, you need to create your profile first, right? So they require your first name, your last name, your business name if you have a business registered. If you don't, then you can put your own name, because if you're a 1099 employee or self-employed, you are also eligible for this Paycheck Protection Program round 2 money. Then you need to fill your cell phone number right here, your email address, then choose a password and confirm password, and then click right here on I agree the following terms. That's how you will create the profile on the Lendio platform, and it will help you to fill out your application, and actually it will help them to get your information and fill your application automatically. So I'm going to fill it and I'm going to click continue right here. So let's do it. It's 3, 2, 1, stick around. So when you actually create your profile, it will take you to this page right here. Yes, Lendio helps you to fill your Paycheck Protection Program round 2 application with the help of questionnaires. Yes, right here as you can see, it asks you, let's get you started on the right path, and are you applying for your second PPP loan? This is the first question, and if you have already applied for your first PPP loan in the round 1 and you got it, then all you need to do, you need to click yes, and then you need to actually enter your first PPP SBA loan application number. But if you are applying it first time, just click it no, and I'm actually going to consider that we are going to apply it first time. So I'm going to click no, and then I'm going to click next. So let's do it. So as soon as I click next, this page will open. Then they require your business name, your business address, your state, your zip code, your business start date, your business type, your number of employees. Of course, it's really simple as you can see. And then has the applicant received an SBA EIDL disaster, also known as EIDL loan, between January 31st, 2020 and April 3rd, 2020. So if you have received it, you need to click yes right here and then provide the details right. And if you haven't received it, then click no right here, right? And then they actually give you the flexibility to calculate your average monthly payroll as well. For example, they have a calculator. Let me just show you by clicking on it. As soon as I click on it, they will actually tell me right here that I need to enter my information. For example, annual cost of salary, wages and commissions. I'm gonna write like 90,000 right here, okay? Annual cost of vacation, medical and other leave. Let me just put 5,000 right here. And then annual cost of healthcare and insurance premium payments. Let me just put like 15,000. And then it will tell me how much you may qualify for, and I'm qualified for $22,916.67. Isn't it crazy? It's very flexible, it's very easy. You can actually calculate your PPP loan, like how much you're going to get. So let's get back to the application. So we are back on the application. If you are self-employed or you are 1099, then of course you need this to actually cover your payroll cost because you are the only employee, so you can do that. But if you have any other reasons to get this loan, then you can actually check all of them if you want, or you can actually check the specific ones that you require this PPP funds for. You know that PPP loan is actually have two thresholds, like it has two options. So the first one is exactly over the threshold, which is partially forgivable or not forgivable. The other one is completely forgivable, which is below the threshold, so keep that in mind. So then they ask you for your ownership. So of course, when it comes to the ownership right here, they actually ask you for your name, your address, your business address, and other sort of information. It's pretty specific, and of course it's just 5 lines, so don't worry about it. Then they ask you to upload the documents. The documents are really simple. Like for example, if you are self-employed or on 1099, you need to actually upload your Schedule C, which will actually show them your earning from line 31. But if you are actually have a business registered with LLC, C Corp, or S Corp, you are going to upload your profit or loss statement or your bank statement, and as well as your tax returns as well. Then they ask you to e-sign the application. It's really simple. You just like e-sign with the cursor, that's it, and click submit. Then you just need to wait for the funds to get deposited into your account, and when you get the funds, just spend it wherever you want. Yes, this is a very simple process for the second Paycheck Protection Program round 2, or you can say opportunity number 2 from the SBA. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I will be happy to answer, and I will be happy to reply each and every comments of yours. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow, and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.